If you have 2 eggs and 5 minutes, you can make a breakfast that is far more satisfying than plain toast or sugary cereal. Today, I'll show you 3 healthy egg breakfasts that are quick, affordable, and especially useful after age 60. Stay for the third recipe because it combines eggs with an ingredient most people only serve sweet. 1 large egg provides about 6 grams of protein, along with nutrients such as choline and vitamin D. But the best breakfast is not simply a plate of eggs. Pairing eggs with vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats creates a more balanced and satisfying meal. If you have high LDL cholesterol, diabetes, heart disease, or a prescribed diet, follow the personalized advice of your doctor or registered dietitian. Now, let's make breakfast number 1, creamy spinach and cottage cheese eggs. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, a pinch of black pepper, and only a small pinch of salt. Whisk everything together. Warm 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet. Add a generous handful of baby spinach and cook just until it begins to soften. Turn the heat down and pour in the egg mixture. Move it gently around the pan with a spatula. Low heat is the secret. It keeps the eggs tender and easier to chew instead of dry and rubbery. The cottage cheese adds creaminess and some additional protein without needing lots of butter. Serve the eggs with sliced tomato or 1 piece of whole grain toast. This colorful, soft breakfast is ready in about 5 minutes. Breakfast number 2 is our 5-minute egg and avocado toast. Mash 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado onto a slice of whole grain toast. Add a squeeze of lemon and a little black pepper. Top it with 1 sliced hard-boiled egg. You can prepare several boiled eggs ahead of time and refrigerate them for quick breakfasts. Now, add sliced tomato and a small spoonful of plain Greek yogurt. The yogurt creates a creamy finish without relying on a large amount of mayonnaise. The whole grain bread supplies fiber, while the egg and yogurt contribute protein. Avocado provides mainly unsaturated fat. For a softer meal, use lightly toasted bread, chop the egg finely, and mash everything together. It is simple, filling, and creates almost no cleanup. Breakfast number 3 is savory oatmeal with an egg. Yes, oatmeal does not have to be sweet. Place 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Cook according to the package directions. During the final minute, stir in a handful of spinach. Transfer the oatmeal to a bowl and add 1 cooked egg. A poached, boiled, or gently fried egg will all work. Finish it with chopped tomato, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. For extra flavor, add garlic powder, paprika, or fresh herbs instead of loading the bowl with salt. This meal combines the comfort and fiber of oatmeal with the protein and flavor of an egg. When the yolk mixes into the oats, it creates a surprisingly creamy sauce. It is warm, inexpensive, and helpful for anyone who prefers a softer breakfast. Which recipe should you choose? For the fastest breakfast, make the egg and avocado toast. For the softest texture, choose the creamy spinach scramble. For a warm, filling meal with whole grains, try the savory oatmeal bowl. You can also prepare ingredients ahead. Boil the eggs, wash the spinach, and portion the oats. That turns breakfast into a 5-minute job instead of a morning decision. Which recipe would you try first? The creamy scramble, avocado toast, or savory oatmeal bowl? Tell me in the comments. For more simple and affordable nutrition ideas for healthy aging, subscribe to Senior Nutrition Hub. Your next healthy meal may be easier than you think.